back with the Dossier. My sweet Dossier. Anyway, same thing. We're working on the off-leash, but we're not looking for... Oh, she's not really friendly with other dogs. Are you leaving? Good. Good. Oh, how do you keep him from pulling? All right, well, if you can wait a second, we'll show you. Let me just do this video real quick, and we'll give you our little man-on-the-street training lessons that we do. Dossier. Good. Good. Heel. Dossier. Good. I added my nick right there. Good. Good. Heel. Good. Down. Wonderful. Wonderful. First off, you're going to have to get rid of that harness he's going. Dossier. Good. Heel. Good. 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 Heel. Adding my pager right there. Good. Good. Down. Big dramatic signal right there with the foot. Alright guys, we'll be right back. We're going to help this guy show him how to walk his dog better.